Hey, and welcome back to Angie's DIY, and my name is Angie. Here we have some old picture frames. This one was already painted white. It did have some other prints in it, but I took those out. We're going to spruce it up with a little bit of that gold leafing paint. I'm using a rubber glove and a paintbrush for this technique. That looks good. I like that. I think this, out of all of them we did in this video, this was my favorite. This is the second frame, and we had to do some repairs on this one. That whole corner was broke off, and we did not get footage on repairing it, but we repaired it with air dry clay and molds from Iron Orchid Design, IOD Design. That's where we got those molds from. And we just glued it on with some wood glue and painted it. This is the Dixie Belle Barn Red, I believe is the name of this. Now my mom and my sisters picked these frames up at Myrtle Beach, and I really liked them, but they just looked a little dusty, so I'm just only going to touch them up just a little bit. See, I got a little smudge on that one. I better go back and check that one. This was one of my favorite frames too. I just think the Santa prints in these chunky frames, they just look so royal like they ought to be in a castle or something. I just love them. I love to put Santa prints in them. They're not that hard to find. All the ones I have came from yard sales, thrift stores, things like that. This one I had already fixed, but I just didn't think the gold was coming out enough on it, so I added a little bit more to it. Just touching this one up a little bit, that's all. Now these frames, Russell picked these out. He thought they looked like if once we paint them, they would kind of look like a chain frame. And they did once we put that gold paint on them and touched them up. See how pretty that came out? Now here's how we're going to put them together. This is the foam board from the Dollar Tree. Just measure it and cut it out. And these are gift bags. Now I collect these big gift bags after Christmas each year to use for this project. So you want to cut your gift bag the size of your frame. Put a little glue on it. Make sure your frame's already dry. Now my mom and my sister got this gift bag at the beach this year, so they're already out. You can go ahead and start looking for them. Spray adhesive would probably be better for this, but sometimes when I'm making a video for y'all, I like to use things that you probably already have around your house. And this is just regular old school glue. Just brushing it on there. You can tell how old that frame is. I think we had to trim this up a teeny bit more. No, it fit in there. There you go. Look at that. Okay, now this right here, I've had it for 2 years and not used it until this video. Had to read the directions, but let me tell you, if you find one of these and you're doing pictures, get it. It is a game changer. Look at that. Ah, hand clap. Man, it makes that job right there so easy. Normally I put that brown paper tape on the back. Sometimes it sticks, sometimes it don't. But I didn't even use it. I thought that looked so clean and neat. I didn't even use the brown tape. Okay, let's get this one going. See where I used that brown tape? I mean, it looks clean with the brown tape, but sometimes it just... We're in South Carolina and the humidity here is a nightmare sometimes. And that tape will come off sometimes. Wait till you see me use that gun again. I think it's called I'll see if my editor can put the name of it in the description. But it's them the little metal tabs that you can pull back to take your picture out with. That's what type of thing it is. Now this was my best seller last year, this gift bag. Every one we did sold time we put it in the book. And I haven't seen this particular gift bag back in the stores this year. But I'm sure you can find something similar to it. That one I believe came from Dollar General. smooth out all your bubbles and wrinkles. Make sure the hardware that you're going to use to hang it with is in the right direction. If not, you have to take it back apart. Alright, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Oh man, that thing right there is so nice. Why did I wait so long to try it out? I've got a few bubbles here. Let me rub those out. I think we're going to be able to get the whole Santa in this frame. It's a huge frame. Okay, here they are. If you enjoyed this content today, how about subscribe and give us a thumbs up? That lets YouTube know you enjoy our content and our little channel can grow. Hope to see you on the next video. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.